Hi Vols, my name's Lisa, and today we're going to discuss your billing statement and how to understand the charges. In this video, we're going to discuss the timing of your billing statement, how to understand a static versus a real-time statement, and how to read charges, financial aid, and payments. Students, after you register for classes, you may not see charges appear immediately. For our fall semester, those charges will appear in mid to late July. And for our spring semester, they'll appear in mid to late December. Students and authorized users will both receive an email telling you that charges have posted. For our authorized users, there will be a link in that email that will lead you to the student statement. And students, you're going to log on to your MyUTK page, which should look very familiar to you by now. So here in this video, we're going to show you exactly how to find your statement. Students, as I said, log into your MyUTK page, find your section that says My Financial Aid Information, and select View Statement. Now this is going to pull up a history of all of your statements, so make sure you're selecting the one for the current semester that you have charges for. For example, we're going to look at July 1st, 2022. There's the due date, the amount, and click View. And this is Smokey's account, so we're going to take a look at his bill for the fall semester. On this bill, you're going to see the due date. You're also going to see itemized charges. This is a static bill, meaning it was taken, is a moment frozen in time. So as of July 1st, 2022, these are Smokey's charges. You'll see the direct costs, those things that are charged from the university directly to the student, which include tuition, fees, room and board. It looks like Smokey's living off campus this semester, so he doesn't have any housing charges, but you'll see his tuition. And for our in-state students, when you see IS undergraduate maintenance, that means in-state tuition. So don't get tripped up by the maintenance word. That's actually your in-state tuition. Now, if Smokey received any financial aid or payments made on his account, you would see those deducted from his balance. So make sure you check your financial aid, and if you've sent a payment in, it would appear here. If you need a real-time statement, students, go back to your MyUTK and beside balance, click the View Pay Fee button. That shows you your fees in real time. So I always advise that you check your bill on payment due date just to make sure maybe a book or another course fee, maybe if you've added or dropped classes, that nothing has changed since you made that last payment. If you have any questions about your billing statement, you can call us at One Stop at 865-974-1111 or email us at onestop@utk.edu. Thanks for joining me today, and go Vols!